Mama. Hello, hero.
What are y'all doing? Baby, don't put it there. Robin, Trunks, take him over here. Robin, hero, come here. La. Come on. Woo, that's a lot of water. Come on. Oh my God, I've never seen the yard so full like this. Baby, Robin.
Mine too?
Yeah.
Trunks, bring Hero here. Come on. Woo! No bumping. Punisher, Punisher, Punisher.
Okay, he got it. They're like, this is like the beach. This is the beach for them.
I know, this is like a pool for them.
I tried.
July 4th. This is how we're spending our July 4th. Hero, look at mommy. Hi. No. Hi, mommy. No. Look this way. Look this way. This is our cheap pool. Yeah, I just got done raining really hard and now we're having like a puddle of water come down. Baby, go at ya. You having fun? Whoa, 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 whoa. No, Mimi, back us. Come here. Hero, come here. Sao một bé có. Lo.